You're pulling into your driveway, slowing down at a traffic light, or easing into a parking space, and there it is. That irritating squeaking noise every time you tap the brakes. It's high-pitched, it's embarrassing, and it keeps coming back. Some drivers might think it's normal, and I really hope you are not one of them, because there is nothing normal about that high-pitched squealing noise coming from your car. Your car is simply trying to tell you that something is wrong with either your brake pads, rotor, or even caliper, and more. In this video, I will break down exactly what causes squeaking noises at low speeds, or when stopping slowly and in different speed ranges, what to look out for, and what you can do to stop the noise for good, no matter what type of car you drive. Let's get started. Now, first off, why do brakes squeak at low speeds? Low-speed brake squeaking is one of the most common complaints from drivers. While it might often seem harmless, it can also be a sign of wear, poor installation, or something more serious. The key is identifying which of these reasons applies to your vehicle. Worn brake pads. The most common cause of brake squeaking at any speed is worn-out brake pads. Most brake pads come with a built-in wear indicator, a small piece of metal that touches the rotor once the pad gets too thin. That scraping sound is intentional. It's a warning to replace your brake pads before they get dangerously low. If you ignore it, the pad can wear down to the metal backing, causing rotor damage and much louder noises like grinding. If you're hearing a squeak every time you brake and haven't replaced your pads in a while, that's your first place to check. Low quality or incorrect brake pads. Not all brake pads are high-quality brake pads. Cheaper pads, especially those made with metallic compounds, are the ones that tend to squeak more. Semi-metallic pads contain metal fibers that can vibrate when they contact the rotor, creating that high-pitched sound. Ceramic pads are usually quieter and cleaner, though they may cost a little more upfront. If your brakes started squeaking immediately after a brake job, the pad material might be to blame. Investing in high-quality brand-name pads can often eliminate the issue entirely. Glazed pads or rotors. Brake components can become glazed when they overheat, such as during long downhill drives or aggressive braking. This means the surface of the pad or rotor becomes hard and shiny, reducing friction and creating squeaks during braking, especially at low speeds. Glazing makes your brakes less effective and noisier. If your braking performance feels off and you hear squeaking, inspect the pads and rotors. A glazed surface may look glassy or have visible discoloration. In that case, resurfacing the rotors or sanding the pads lightly can restore proper function. Brake dust and debris. Sometimes the issue is as simple as dirt. Road dust, sand, salt, and other debris can get between the pad and rotor, causing a squeaking or squealing noise. This is especially common after driving through construction zones, mud, or rainstorms. The solution here is simple. Clean your brakes. You can use brake cleaner spray or compressed air to blow out any loose debris from the calipers and rotor surface. In many cases, just giving the area a thorough cleaning will stop the noise. Moisture and rust. If your brakes squeak first thing in the morning or after a rainy night, it might be due to surface rust. Rotors are made of bare metal, and even a light amount of moisture can cause a thin layer of rust to form. When you first hit the brakes, the pads scrape off that rust, causing a brief squeal. This noise is usually temporary and disappears after a few brake applications. However, if the squeaking persists, or the rust buildup becomes significant, it may be time for a closer inspection. Missing or worn brake hardware. Brake systems rely on more than just pads and rotors. There are clips, shims, and anti-rattle springs that help keep everything tight and quiet. If these small parts are missing, worn out, or incorrectly installed, the pads can move or vibrate, causing a squeaking or rattling noise when you apply the brakes. This is often overlooked during quick brake jobs. If you've recently replaced your pads but didn't install new hardware or grease the caliper pins, it could be the cause of the noise. Always make sure hardware is included and properly installed during brake servicing. Brake caliper issues. Another cause of squeaking at low speeds is a sticking brake caliper or caliper pin. If the caliper doesn't release fully after braking, the pad can stay pressed lightly against the rotor, creating a constant squeal. Over time, this can lead to uneven pad wear and overheating. To check this, feel your wheel after driving. If one wheel is hotter than the others, it could indicate a dragging caliper. Lubricating the slide pins or inspecting the piston for proper movement may help. In more severe cases, the caliper might need replacement. Improper bedding in. When you install new pads and rotors, they need to be bedded in. This process involves performing a series of gentle stops from higher speeds to evenly transfer pad material onto the rotor surface. Without this, the pad and rotor may not mate properly, causing noise, vibration, and poor performance. If you hear squeaking right after a brake job, it could be because this process wasn't completed correctly. Rebedding the brakes can often fix the issue. Drum brake squeaks. If the self-adjusting mechanism in a drum brake isn't working properly, the shoes may rub unevenly and cause squeaking. You just have to make sure the adjuster is clean, functional, and properly set. Now I know not all vehicles use disc brakes in the rear. Some still have drum brakes. And for these systems, squeaking can come from the brake shoes rubbing against the backing plate or from dry contact points. Like disc brakes, proper lubrication and clean hardware are essential to quiet operation. A small amount of high-temperature brake grease on the contact points inside the drum can help eliminate low-speed squeaks. Warped rotors. Warped rotors can create both vibration and sound. As the rotor spins, the pad may touch high spots unevenly, producing a rhythmic squeak or thumping noise, especially at low speed. This is usually more noticeable when lightly pressing the brakes. Warped rotors should be measured for runout using a dial indicator. If they're too far out of spec, they should be resurfaced or replaced. Cold weather or morning squeals. In cold climates or during early morning drives, brakes can make noise until they warm up. This is especially common with performance brake pads or vehicles parked outdoors overnight. As the materials heat up, the squeaking usually fades away. If the sound disappears after the first few stops of the day, it's likely environmental and not a serious issue. Squeaky brakes at low speeds aren't just annoying, they're telling you something. Whether it's worn pads, poor materials, dirty rotors, or missing hardware, the solution often lies in paying closer attention during brake maintenance. With the right tools and knowledge, you can silence those brakes for good and enjoy a smooth, quiet ride. If this guide helped you understand what's going on with your brakes, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car care tips, and leave a comment below with your own squeaky brake experience or any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in our next video.